The reason you're bad with money has nothing to do with money. Welcome to The Good Listener. Here's something no one ever taught you in school. Managing money has almost nothing to do with math. It has everything to do with your psychology. And until you understand that, no budget, no app, no salary raise will ever be enough. In 2001, researchers at Princeton ran a study. They gave two groups of people the exact same financial problem. One group was told they were stressed. The other group was told they were calm. The stressed group made dramatically worse financial decisions, even when the numbers were identical. Same information, same options, completely different choices. Because your brain under stress doesn't think long term, it thinks right now, and right now always feels more urgent than someday. Psychologists call this present bias. Your brain is hardwired to value immediate rewards over future ones. $1 today feels more real than $10 next year. This isn't a character flaw. This is evolution. Your ancestors didn't need to think about retirement funds. They needed to eat today. But that same ancient wiring is now quietly destroying your financial future. Every impulse buy, every "I'll save next month," every time you chose comfort now over security later, that was your prehistoric brain making a very modern mistake. And here's the part that hits different. Studies show that people who grew up around financial stress develop a subconscious belief that money is temporary, that it always runs out. That saving is pointless because something will take it away anyway. So they spend, not because they're irresponsible, but because deep down, their brain believes holding on to money is painful, and the brain will always choose to avoid pain. So what actually works? One thing, remove the decision. Automate your savings before your brain ever sees the money. Because the moment money hits your account, your present bias activates. It starts finding reasons to spend it. But if it's already gone, already saved, your brain accepts it as if it never existed. This is called paying yourself first. And it's the only financial strategy that works with your psychology. Instead of fighting against it, you were never bad with money. You were just never taught how your brain handles it. And now you know. Thanks for listening. I'm The Good Listener, and I'll see you in the next one.